So I want this to be kind of a quick video, just kind of something to watch, I guess. This is the TRAGOPAN V7 photo blind. I'm going to be setting this up pretty quickly, just in the backyard, nothing crazy. Honestly, I haven't really set it up too much. I set it up once, and comes with these nice windows, etc. So I'm going to kind of just show you guys the speed of how it's set up, and yeah, take some photos of birds. I'm sure the birds are not going to like to see this photo blind just pop up out of nowhere. Okay, I think it's ready. And just pull. There you go. And that is the start of it. And then we just extend the side legs. So they click. It's a very fast setting up blind. It's a very fast pop-up blind. I'm just kind of slow. Okay. You guys probably would be able to do that quicker than I can. So, here we go. Here it is. So here is the blind. Something I have to say that I really like, I typically keep the window open right here, just for the backyard photography, but I have to say they added these nets here that are really nice, because the main thing that moves is your head when you're inside of one of these blinds. So it's kind of nice because you're kind of just sitting in the chair, and before you had none of this, so they would, you know, if a bird would see you in here, typically you'd move your head and they would kind of see that movement. So it's nice that you have these additional pieces here that you can put in. You got a pocket down there for like your phone, etc. And this is the little bag that it comes with. It fits really well inside of here. And then you have a dedicated chair. Make sure you buy this off the TRAGOPAN site itself, because that chair is dedicated to this blind. We are in the blind now. One thing that I really like about this is that now they've added this peeky hole, and you unzip this part, and now you actually can cup that over there, and you can look through and you can see kind of what you're looking at out there, which is really nice, because before they did not have that. And we turn our camera on and we can see all the beautiful colors there of the trees, etc. So yeah, we'll kind of look around, hang out, and see if we see any birds. There's also ventilation up here. You can open these up, get the air to blow through, and you have little hidey hole spots on both sides. So something I may have left out, sorry I didn't record it, but I set my laptop in here, just on a tripod. It's a little bit crammed in here, but if you're asking how I'm charging it, I'm just using a standard V-mount battery, kind of hooked it here, and yeah, this way I can take a tether cable, plug it straight into the camera, and then I can go ahead and just hook it straight up, take a tethered shot, and then load it onto Capture One and edit it straight from there. Right now I'm not doing the tethered capture. Typically I would be, but just right now I'm kind of doing just a lighter setup. But it's nice to have Capture One right here, so that afterwards, after I'm done, I can just kind of upload the photos straight onto Capture One if I wanted, or I could do it tethered. So I'm just showing it for demonstration purposes in this case. So this bluebird was just sitting right up there. It's a little hard to see like the colors and everything, but I'll show you. But yeah, I'm just so happy. So nice, honestly. So clear. He was just up there at the top of the tree, just on one of the branches. Nice. So good. Man, I'm so happy with that outcome. Feels good when you wait for something and something like that happens.